In our last video, we machined this copper electrode on the Sodick UX650L high-speed milling machine. But the milling process was only the first step. Today, we'll be following that electrode as it goes from our UX650L mill to our Sodick SZ25 robot to our AL40G sinker EDM for the final finish. One of the biggest advantages of this setup is automation. The UX650L milling machine and the AL40G sinker EDM are connected through a robotic handling system that moves parts automatically between processes. This reduces manual handling, improves repeatability, and allows the system to continue running with minimal operator intervention. Instead of removing the part and setting it up again manually, the robot transfers the electrode directly to the next operation. While the milling machine creates the electrode, the sinker EDM process uses that electrode to create features that would be difficult or inefficient using conventional machining methods alone. Sinker EDM uses a precisely machined electrode and controlled electrical discharges to erode material with exceptional precision. Because there is no direct cutting force, intricate features can be produced without introducing mechanical stress into the workpiece. For applications where accuracy and consistency are critical, sinker EDM becomes an important part of the manufacturing process. Once the electrode arrives at the AL40G, the machine automatically begins the programmed burn operation. During the process, controlled electrical discharges occur between the electrode and the workpiece, gradually eroding material and reproducing the electrode's geometry. Although the burn process may appear simple from the outside, the machine is continuously monitoring and adjusting machining conditions to maintain accuracy and surface quality. This level of control is one reason EDM technology remains essential in modern precision manufacturing. After the EDM operation is complete, the workpiece now contains the final features created by the electrode. The combination of high-speed milling, automated handling, and the precision EDM technology allows complex components to be produced efficiently while maintaining tight tolerances throughout the process. Here we have the results from our latest CNC process. This is our freshly milled copper electrode, the same one you saw in the first video. Notice the precision and smoothness of the surface. This is what allows it to accurately shape the metal into the next step. Now, here's the same electrode after it's been used in the sinker EDM. You can see the burn marks and wear on the surface. These marks tell the story of the EDM process, each spark carefully removing material from the workpiece to create the exact shape we need. And finally, here's the finished part made with the help of this electrode. It's a perfect example of how milling and EDM work together. The electrode guides the spark, removing tiny amounts of material until the final component matches the precise design. When you look at these three together, the fresh electrode, the used electrode, and the final part, you can see the complete journey from start to finish. And none of this would be possible without the robot arm, which seamlessly moves the electrode from mill to storage and from storage into the sinker EDM. It's the backbone of this automation workflow, keeping everything precise and efficient. By utilizing these three separate technologies, the milling, the robot, and the sinker EDM in one automated cell, we're able to take a part from start to finish with absolute precision and flawless quality. If you like what you've seen today, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to learn how to program machines like this one, be sure to head over to titansofcnc.com and join our free online academy. We have over 700,000 students already enrolled in our academy, where you can learn CAD and CAM all 100% free and learn how to program and operate machines from 3-axis mills to multi-axis Swiss. And if you're interested in purchasing a machine like this, be sure to reach out to Keith at titansofcnc.com.
Hey, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our app, MFG Connect. It's on Apple and Android. It's pretty sweet. You can upload your projects, show off cool toolpaths, and connect with other machinists like me and Barry. You can show off your work, upload your projects. I hope to see you there.